Hello everyone, I am Apoorva from first year EEE branch and I am here to talk about my innovative idea, that is the electric wheelchair. An electric wheelchair is a mobility device that is powered by an electric motor and a battery. The main problem faced by the paralyzed people is their movement, and the main objective of this innovation is to provide automated system for these people. It is designed to help people with mobility impairments to move around and more easily and independently. These are available in many types, size, and from compact travel models to heavy outdoor models. So this is the prototype of the model where there is a controller, motor, battery and a wheel in the picture. The device used in this idea is motor, battery, controller and wheel. When motor is responsible for powering the wheelchair, it is located near the wheel and provides necessary torque to the wheelchair to move backward and forward. Battery is used to power the motor. It is located near the seat and is easily rechargeable. Controller, it is responsible for controlling the speed and direction of an electric wheelchair. It is located on the armrest and can be easily operated by the user. Wheel, it is responsible for traction and stability to an electric wheelchair. They are made of rubber or plastic. They are also responsible for the absorption of shock and vibration. The advantages of this idea is it increases the mobility and independence, easy to operate, can be used in indoor and outdoor, more energy efficient than the manual wheelchair. The disadvantages could be heavy, they are quite expensive compared to the manual wheelchair, heavy, so difficult to transport them. They require regular maintenance, and it is not suitable for all type of terrain and may not be able to walk through rough surface. Thank you.